everyone, welcome back to my channel, East Space Stamp Chick. This is Michelle, and today I wanted to share with you something new that I will be doing this year, and that is Love From Lizi card kits. So this is a Canadian-based company, and she does a monthly subscription of card kits, and then she also has regular products, sometimes items that were originally in a card kit, or things that she made to kind of like add on to a card kit. So she has stamps and dies, patterned paper, and some different embellishments. And then she carries some of the inks that we all know and love, like Distress Oxide and things. So you can check her out on her website, lovefromlizi.com. And she has a lot of really great products there available. And like the kit that I'm going to show you today that I get to work with was actually one that was already a subscription kit, and she had some extras. And so this is available to purchase right now, and you don't need a subscription to do that. So you can, if you like the kit, just go to her site and pick that up. I will have some links down below in my description if you want to use those to get there. And that will help you find everything that I show you today. And then I will have a tutorial for card making on her channel on January 16th. And then I will also have another tutorial on my channel. I'm not sure yet of the date, but that will be coming up here shortly. So lots of goodness to come. So let me show you. Now she gave me the kit, and she also generously gave me a couple of extra items to use along with the kit. So I'm going to show you the kit first, and then I will show you the extra items that I personally got that don't come in your kit. Okay, I don't want it to be confusing that everyone thinks certain things come in the kit. So your kits come sealed up in this nice bag. And let me get this out. My goodness, it shouldn't be this hard, but you all know that I got a cast on, so I'm just operating here a little bit slower than normal. All right, there we go. And she let me choose which of the past kits I got to work with. I just loved this one. I love sunflowers, and I know a lot of people think of sunflowers as a fall flower, but I love them all year long. So I just thought it would be so cool to use this kit. All right, so you do get some really fun, I guess I used to call these pipe cleaners. I don't know if they're called something else, but when I was a kid, they were pipe cleaners. So these are some fun things you can use to make some cute embellishments. I mean, they are wired, so you could definitely use them to make like flowers and even like butterflies and things. So you have those. And then all her kits, I'm pretty sure, come with a stamp and die set. Where do we see here? What do we got? Oh, here we go. Well, that took me a while there. So we've got the stamp and the die set, which is one of my favorite things in this kit. These sunflowers are so beautiful. And you've got the matching dies to cut them out. And then you've got a matching die for the word sunshine, and even a shadow die with the actual script of sunshine that's like, looks like it's slightly larger. So really pretty. I really think that's a pretty set. And it does have matching layering stencils that will be for the flower, so, and the leaves. So these will help you if you want to do ink blending to color in your flower and leaves and stem instead of having to use markers or paint or something like that. So that's really cool. All right. Then we have, let's look here. She has these peel-offs, and I know she does these in a variety of colors. And these are the actual like little strips. So you can add these on to your card making if you want to create stripes or borders on your cards. And there is both gold and the kind of butter yellow color or sunflower yellow. And they're in a few different sizes. And you get quite a few on here. They are like a sticker, so they're easy to cut to the size that you want them to be. And you could definitely decorate with those. So that's a really fun item that not everybody has. And then she included this piece of foam, which I don't know if you call this like fun foam. This can be really great to, you can die cut from this, and you can use it to pop things up instead of foam squares if you want. And nice bright color, so you could definitely use this in your card making. And then we also have 2 sticker sheets. And let me actually, before we go into those, let me show you the ephemera, because that will kind of explain the sticker sheets a little bit better. If I can get this open. Come on, there we go. All right, actually, let me move this aside. The ephemera is really nice because ephemera is a great way to make quick cards. So this kit has haystacks and these adorable little donkeys. That was the other reason why I picked this kit, is because I love the little donkeys. They are so cute. And then you do have, of course, a variety of different sunflowers and leaves. So lots of really cute things, and little Hale bays, or yeah, bales. I guess they're bales. Hay bales. So, and look at that little donkey. Is she adorable or what? I think she's a girl. That's what I'm going with. We got one with the flower. So there's a lot here for your card making that you could use these. And this would also be really great if you like to make mini albums or folios. All this ephemera is perfect for that. So there's really a lot that you could do with this. I mean, this is a lot of pieces. And it doesn't say how many pieces of ephemera you get, but that's a lot. So you get that, and then along with that, you do have some stickers that you could utilize with those. And what's cool is these could be definitely in the background of your card, and then you can put your ephemera right on top. Okay, so that would definitely help you make some quick cards. And that's this really pretty hay color. And then you also get a 6x6 paper collection. So this is her own paper collection, and you have 12 sheets. Even that cover sheet is so pretty. I mean, I could definitely see cutting it out and utilizing some of this cover sheet, and it's just plain on the back. But look at these adorable little donkeys. Oh my goodness. And they're all single-sided sheets. Okay. That's a really pretty green with those sunflowers, which, because that green is such a like a spring color, I think this could really go spring or autumn. And then you've got your donkeys with the hay. I like the white too with the sunflowers. You've got all just donkeys on there. Here is your hay bales. And on the green, then a whole bunch of the hay rolled up. We've got a really nice couple of polka dots here that will mix in really great. And then the donkeys and the hay on the blue background. All right, so you get that. You also get cardstock. So with this kit, you have 3 pieces of colored cardstock, and then you have 2 pieces of white, which, or actually, I'm sorry, 1 piece of white and a piece of kind of like an oatmeal craft color. This white is alcohol ink friendly, so if you do want to stamp on that and color with your alcohol markers, you totally can. And then let's check out this little goodie bag. What kind of things do we have in here? Let me get this open. I forgot to open it ahead of time to make it easier. Ooh, so you got gold Polaroids. These are really cute, and these are like a chipboard, so they're nice and thick. So you got your gold mirrored cardstock or chipboard Polaroids, and you have some trims. So you've got this really fun gold, almost like a tinsel. And then look at this twine. It's got that rust and that natural fibers and that green. That could be really cool on your cards. And you've got a packet of glitter. Look how beautiful that gold is. That is really pretty. And you have some sticky back gems in the gold color. And then you've got these cute little corners. So that is so fun. Gold also. And she gave you a gold pen. And last but not least, we've got the bigger size of the gems. So this is a lot of goodies, guys, that you can work with to make a lot of cards. Definitely. Now, I did mention that there was a couple of products she let me add on that I will be utilizing. And one of them is the Stitched Arch Nested Dies, which is this one right here. I think those are so fun. And then I got the Autumn Breeze Flourish die, which I think will be so cool as well. That'll look great with the flowers. And then this total kit, minus these two items, because those are separate, but your total kit is called Sending Sunshine Card Kit. And that is available on her website right now. So this is what I'm going to be working with, and there will be some tutorials coming up, so I will let you know when those are posted. But on the 16th will be my tutorial that goes on her channel, and then I'll have another tutorial on my channel as well. So anyways, and she does ship to other countries, so not just the US, but she has in her subscription kit, you can look and find your country and look at how much your kit will cost for you and with the shipping and everything. So you can get this no matter where you're at, okay? And she has a lot of countries listed, so more than likely your country is there, all right? So this is so much fun. Hope you enjoy seeing all these goodies. Love from Lizi is a newer company to me, so this is going to be really fun to work with her products, and I'm looking forward to it. All right, thanks everyone for joining me, and hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.